Installing Amphenol compression connectors on 1/2-inch foam dielectric cable. First step is to mark our cable to make sure that we can achieve our proper preparation dimensions. We're going to use the end of our prep tool for that. All we're going to do is just line up the end of the prep tool with the end of the cable and utilize our white marker to make some marking lines on here. So we're going to make line 1 in conjunction with the prep tool and line 2. These lines will tell us if we prep the cable properly. We'll reassemble our prep tool, and on the low speed setting, we're going to use the front end of the tool to remove the jacket all the way down to line. We're going to use the front end of the tool all the way down past line 2. We then disengage the tool from the front end, and we're going to use the back end of the tool, or piece number 2, on the high speed setting to prepare the outer and inner conductors at the same time. It's important that we prep to the peak of the corrugation, not the valley. In order to do that, we have a measuring guide. We can just simply insert the teeth into the corrugation valleys, and it will tell us if we've achieved our proper preparation on the outer conductor. Once we've achieved that, we may need to remove some additional outer dielectric from the center conductor. We use our foam removal tool to do that. Simply insert it over the end, pinch it down, and remove the dielectric. At this point, we can also use the flat end of the foam removal tool to flare out the outer conductor, to make it a little easier for us to compress the connector on. I'm going to re-engage the tool by taking the drill by taking the prep tool out of the drill and installing our coring bit. Coring bit's going to remove some excess dielectric from inside the cable, and we do want to be on our low speed setting for that as well. We're going to gently insert the coring bit over the center conductor and simply remove the dielectric. At this point, we're now ready to clean the connector. We're just going to use the alcohol pad provided with all Amphenol compression connectors to clean the outer conductor as well as the inner conductor. This helps remove any corrosive or pin-producing elements from the interface. Once we've done that, we can take our compression connector, slide it directly on, and we're going to push it down until we hear and feel a click. Once we hear that click, we can give it a test pull. We know that we've achieved our proper seating, and we can remove the dust cap for compression. Using the rigid RP210 compression tool and the proper adapters, we're going to make sure that our compression surfaces, both front and back, are lined up squarely with the compression tool. Then we simply compress the connector. Once proper connector compression has been achieved, we're just going to give it a twist and a tug just to make sure that we're properly seated onto the cable. And then last but not least, we do replace the dust cap.